What's going on, guys? Threws in the block back again. I've got the Black Stallion out here. We got a little project we're working on today. 2001 Chevrolet Silverado 2500, and the back tail lights are in need of some TLC. So we could just replace these back to their original-esque shine. With something off of eBay, or maybe even get some from the dealer. We're going to see if we can restore these back to their original-esque shine. So the first thing we need to do is remove the tail lights. Drop the tailgate down. Got some Phillips screws in here, 2 of them on each side. It's super windy. I apologize in advance for the wind noise. Just that time of year. Actually, I think where I live is just windy all the time. And once you get that out, and just push and twist on these, and they'll come right off of there. Nothing too complicated. Should all pop right out. Like so. Alright, we got our light assembly out. Now you can see there's a little bit of what looks to be some clear coat or something that was sprayed on here. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not, but there's something on the surface of that light. So we're gonna do a little sanding and get that off, and then we'll reapply some clear. Oh yeah, look at that. If you hadn't checked out any videos on this thing, put a link at the top of the screen, get you caught up. That's the 67 Chevelle, aka Project Motivation, or like Project Determination. You can do this by hand. I'm gonna be using 1000 grit on my little air sander. You don't have to use one of these. You can definitely do it by hand. I'm just using this because I had it actually ready to go. So I'll be using 1000 grit. Throw a little water on here. We're gonna wet sand this down to get nice and smooth, and then we'll wax and grease remove these and get some clear on them. You can see the dirt already on that thing. Alright, there's the residue. Just gonna wipe that down with the microfiber. Let's get that junk off of there. Should leave you a nice, flat, semi-shiny, kind of a dull surface. If you see any really shiny spots, like right in there, just want to hit those again. So you may do better doing it by hand, because this is a relatively curved light. It's not super curved, but it's got a little curve to it. So I'm going to hit those areas. Make sure we get everything nice and flat. little wax and grease remover. That's just to get any of the contaminants off of the surface of the lights that I didn't get. I'll ensure we get us a nice, clean surface for our clear to bond to. I already tell this is going to be a tricky one. Bounce all over the place. That is okay. I always like to clean my surfaces at least 2 times. Just in case I miss anything with the first pass. So I had an old can of this sitting on the shelf. This is a TranStar Euro Clear. This is what we're going to use. It's about a quarter of a can left, so it should be plenty to do what I got to do on these taillights. Those did come out spectacular. These look brand new. Check it out. Let's go ahead and get these back on the truck. Alright, so we got the lights installed on the back of the Silverado, and they do look, if I'll say so myself, like new. So you just witnessed some 20-year-old taillights being restored with a little bit of clear coat, a little bit of elbow grease. Not too much work, and they look like brand new. So before you rush out to buy yourself a new set of taillights, if you've got the tools and the time, you can do it yourself, save yourself a little bit of money. I'll put a link in the description where you can pick up some 2K clear in a rattle can, also in a quart. You can also pick this up at your local parts store and some other places. My name's Erwin. This is Three Wheels on a Block. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.